Okay. We'll start with the prayer.
Yeah.
Yeah. You want to pray? One of you can chant.
Which one are we doing? Doesn't matter.
Sahana Vavatu.
Okay. Om Sahana Vavatu Sahano Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavaditamastu Ma Vidvishavahai. Om Shanti 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 Harihi.
Shri Guru
Namaste.
Namaha. Yeah. So to this class, I think we have to do 9th and 10th lesson, no? Yeah. We'll go with the shlokas. 9th lesson.
I can read.
Sangrahya Vishayaha.
Yeah.
168.
168.
Yeah. Yeah. Manage.
Okay. Rama. Ramaya Ramabhadraya Ramachandraya Vedase Raghunathaya Nathaya Sitayaha Pateye Namaha. Salutations to Sri Rama, to the Lord of Sita. He is most sacred. He exudes happiness like the moon, and he is the supreme God. Hence, he is the Lord of the universe who has taken birth as the king of Raghu dynasty.
So here, what is the pattern you see? Ramaya, Ramabhadraya.
Chaturthi Vibhakti. Chaturthi Vibhakti. Because of Namaha.
Namaha. Yeah, because of Namaha.
I think
But
we've
there's
done
one
this.
thing which is different. What is that?
Vedase.
No, Vedas
Vedase.
also, no? Vedas
Pataye?
also is Chaturthi.
Sitayaha.
Sitayaha is different. It is
Sitayaha is
what Vibhakti?
Sitayaha is Shashti. Sita Sitayaha Nathaya. Okay.
Correct. So Shashti Vibhakti of Sita. Of Sita. So of Sita, who is the Pati? To him, Namaha. For Sita's Pati. Okay. Ramaya, Ramabhadraya, Ramachandraya, Vedhase. Vedhas Shabda, the Vedhase is Chaturthi for Vedas. You have it in a Pravesha book, you will see the tables. They are like our reference for all the levels. So Pravesha book is so important because these tables are reference for all levels. You have Veda Shabda in this Pravesha book. It is there.
Where?
I'll tell you.
The table?
I have seen Vedas.
Yeah, it's on 201.
201.
Yes.
Table 1.17, right?
17. Yes.
So if you see Vedhase is Chaturthi, did you see that?
Yeah.
It is a Vedhas Shabda. It's a Pullinga Sakaranta Shabda. Sakaranta Pullinga Shabda. So Vedhas Raghunathaya, that is also Chaturthi. Nathaya Sitayah Pataye Namaha. Pati Shabda, Pataye is Chaturthi. Namaha. Like Gurave, like that, Pati Shabda, Pataye. Okay. So Sitayah Pataye Namaha. Sita's Pati. To that Sita's Pati. So everything is Chaturthi. It's easy. Very easy to understand this. So to that, to whom Namaha? to Rama, to Ramabhadraya, who is most sacred, and Ramachandraya, who's like the moon, who exudes like a moon. Vedhase. Vedhas is again most sacred, most intelligent. Vedha, knowledgeable. Raghunathaya, Nathaya. Raghunatha is, Raghuvamsha, the master of Raghuvamsha, Lord of Raghuvamsha. Nathaya, the Supreme Lord, Sita's husband, to him we bow down. That is what it means. Namaha. So next, somebody can read.
I can read.
Yeah.
Apadamapahārtāram dātāram sarvasampadam lokabhiramam Shriram bhuyo bhuyo namamyaham. I bow to Sri Ram again and again. Rama, who is the remover of difficulties, bestower of all kinds of wealth, and who is loved by all people.
So here if you see, apadam is one word, then apahartaram. Apadam is difficulties. Who takes away difficulties is apadam apahartaram. Dataram, who gives sarva sampadam, all kinds of wealth. All kinds, he bestows upon us all kinds of wealth. Sampat. Lokabhiramam, the one who is Sri Ramam, that Sri Ramam who is Lokabhiramam means who is renowned by all people, who is listened to by all people, who is liked by all people. Lokabhiramam, Sri Ramam, that Sri Ramam, bhuyo bhuyo, again and again, aham namami, I salute. That's what it means. Okay. Yeah. You can read this Sanskrita Vangmaya Parichaya.
Okay, I will read. Uttaram Charitam. The author of this play is Bhavabhuti. The story of abandonment of Sita found in the Uttarakanda of Ramayana is the theme of this drama. Soon after the coronation of Ram, the elders Kaushalya and others went to Rishyasringa's hermitage in Ayodhya. When Sita was resting on the lap of Ram, a spy came and reported to Ram the rumor about Sita prevalent among the people. Ram decided to abandon Sita and sent her away to the forest. The twin sons of Sita, Lava and Kush, were born, and they grew up in the hermitage of Valmiki. Meanwhile, Ram decided to perform the Ashwamedh horse sacrifice in Ayodhya and sent the sacrificial horse on expedition. Love bound the horse that came to the forest. On that score, there was a fight between Kush and Chandraketu, the son of Lakshman. At that juncture, Ram arrived there and stopped the fight. Then all of them came to know one another. The great sage Valmiki presented Sita with Lava and Kush to Ram. Bhavabhuti has introduced some changes in the story of Ramayana to make it effective as a drama. This play occupies a place of merit in Sanskrit literature. Uttare Ramacharite Bhavabhutihi Vishishyate.
Yeah. Do you remember Bhavabhuti where we came across? We came across in 10 Rupakas. when we studied
Oh,
about
Natakas.
Natakas.
we studied about kavyas, 3 kinds, Gadya, Padya and Champu Kavya. And also Kavya is classified into Drishya Kavyam and Shravya Kavyam. You check 130 page.
Yes.
There you will see the 10 types of Rupakas. What a drama, what we call drama in English is Nataka. In other Indian languages is Rupaka in Sanskritam. There are 10 varieties of Rupakas. Of them, Nataka is one of them. And among the 10 types of Rupakas, the well-known are Abhignana Shakuntalam, Uttara Ramacharitam by Bhavabhuti, Shakuntalam by Kaladasaha, Swapna Vasavadattam by Bhasaha, Veni Samharaha, Bhattanarayanaha, Vrichakatikam, Shudraka. So this we read in about Uttara Ramacharitam. This is the same thing which has been given as a small story here. Uttare Ramacharite Bhavabhutihi Vishishyate. Bhavabhuti is known for his Uttara Ramacharitam. So here in Sanskritam we say Lava Kusha. We don't say love and Kush.
Lava Kusha.
Lava and Kusha. Okay. Similarly, not Lakshman, it is Lakshmana.
Lakshmana.
Ashwamedha, Kaushalya, Rama. It's like that. Sanskritam is, you should pronounce like that. Okay, next. Samskrita Vyavaharaha. One of you can read next page, 171.
Okay,
Kada.
I can go.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Samskrita Vyavaharaha. Kada, when. Study the following sentences. Suryodayah Prataha Bhavati. Suryodayah Kada Bhavati. Sita Sayam Nrityabhyasam Karoti. Sita Kada Nrityabhyasam Karoti. Pitamaha Parashvaha Agamishyati. Pitamaha Kada Agamishyati. Te Hyah Agataha Asan. Te Kada Agataha Asan. Adya Krishnasya Janmadinotsavaha. Krishnasya Janmadinotsavaha Kada. The meaning of Kada is when. The sun rises in the morning. When is the sunrise? The reply for Kada can be given in locative case also.
Yeah.
Locative case, Bharatanatya Pradarshanam Kada Bhavishyati. Bharatanatya Pradarshanam Antima Bhanuvasare Bhavishyati.
Correct. So here there is Saptakakaraha which is given. It's important. 7 kakaras in the form of questions. So you can go through that also. This is clear, no? Kada?
Yes.
Suryodaha Prataha Bhavati.
Kada
Suryodayaha Kada Bhavati. When is Suryodaya? When does it happen? So, Suryodayaha Prataha Bhavati. Sita Sayam Nrityabhyasam Karoti. Sita Kada Nrityabhyasam Karoti. When does she practice her dance? Pitamaha Parashvaha Agamishyati. Day after tomorrow. Pitamaha Kada Agamishyati. When is he going to come? Te Yaha. Yesterday. Agataha Asan. They came yesterday. Te kada agataha asan. Yeah. And then Adhya Krishnasya Dinotsavaha. Krishnasya Janmadinotsavaha kada. So all these are in kada. For kada, you have to answer like this. When. So kada is used like this. So next is saptakakaraha. You can read that. It's very important. Saptakakara is very important. How to use 7 kakaras. Yeah.
Sapta kakaraha. You have learned till now the 7 words for questioning. They are popular as Sapta kakaraha. Let us recapitulate them once. Kim, what? Kutra, where? Kati, how many? Kada, when? Kutaha, from where? Katham, how? Kimartham, why? Learning these questioning words not only makes conversation easier, but also helps in understanding the language very well. Let us see an example for each of these. Shri Krishna Kuchelasya Mitram. Kaha Kuchelasya Mitram? Shri Harihi Ayodhyam Gacchati. Shri Harihi Kutra Gacchati. Ramasya Shat Angulyah Santi. Ramasya Kati Angulyah Santi. Matamahi Saptavadane Agatavati. Matamahi Kada Agatavati. Rashtrapatihi Chennai Agamishyati. Rashtrapatihi Kutah Agamishyati. Balamurli Madhuram Gayati. Balamurli Katham Gayati. Deepika Arogyartham Hasati. Deepika Kimartham Hasati.
Very good. So here said Abhyasaha is given. Swatantriya Dinotsavaha Parashvaha. So what will be the question?
Swatantra Dinotsava Kada.
Kada. Next, Surendraha Amaranatham Shwaha Gamishyati.
Sureshah Amarnath Kutah Gamishyati.
Hmm?
Oh no,
Surendra
Shwaha. So Kada again.
Kada.
Kada Gamishyati.
Kada Gamishyati.
Kada
When?
Gamishyati.
Vagdevi Pratah Gatavati.
Vagdevi Kada
Devi
Gatavati.
Kada Gatavati.
Idanim Adhyapakah Pathayati.
Kada id Adhyapakah Pathayati.
Praparahyah Pitamahah Agatah Asit.
Kada. So they all are for Kada.
Yes. Make questions using these 7 questioning words with reference to underlined words. Okay, now you can say. Shivanandah Delhi Nagare Vasati.
Shivanandah Putra Vasati.
Putra Vasati. Ambika Gokarnatah Agatavati.
Kutah Agatavati.
From where? Gokarnatah. Bhavatah Mata Rama Devi.
Ramadevi ka. Ramadevi ka.
Bhavatah is what this thing?
You.
Your. It's a Sashti, right?
Bhavatah.
No. It's not a
Bhavatah Mata Rama Devi.
Kasya mata.
Bhavatah Nama Kim. So what is your name? So your mother is Rama Devi.
But we have to make a question.
So Rama Devi is who,
Bhavata
right?
Mata.
Is that
Ramadevi ka.
Ka Rama
Bhavata
Devi.
Ka
Ka
Rama
Rama Devi.
Yeah, ka Ramadevi.
Ka Rama Devi. Okay. Next.
Pitamahi vinodartham nrutyati.
किमर्थं नृत्यति?
कथं
विनोदार्थं
किमर्थं?
किमर्थं
किमर्थं
पितामही विनोदार्थं नृत्यति पितामही किमर्थं नृत्यति आपणे 7 जनाः सन्ति
आपणे कति जनाः
कति
सन्ति?
जनाः सन्ति करेक्ट विमला 3 मिलितवती
विमला कदा मिलितवती?
कदा मिलितवती when श्रीधरः सुन्दरः अस्ति
श्रीधरः कथम् अस्ति?
कथम् अस्ति सः उच्चैः सम्भाषणं करोति
सः कथं सम्भाषणं करोति?
कथं सम्भाषणं करोति जलम् उपरिष्टात् पतति
जलं कुत्र पतति? नो कुतः पतति?
उपरिष्टात् इस् पंचमी नो
या कुतः या
कुतः पतति सः 10 वाक्यानि अवदत्
सः कति वाक्यानि अवदत्?
करेक्ट नेक्स्ट आरोग्यं डैश अस्ति
कथम् अस्ति?
सम्यक् is the thing so you have to ask katham asti so सम्यक् अस्ति लेखनी डैश अस्ति गृहे
कुत्र अस्ति?
लेखनी कुत्र अस्ति गृहे अस्ति तत्र डैश जनाः सन्ति
कति
जनाः सन्ति सः आगतवान् अध्ययनाय
किमर्थं?
किमर्थं रमेशः डैश आगतवान्
कुतः
रमेशः कदा आगतवान्?
आगतवान् नेक्स्ट एतत् डैश आनीतवान् भवान् आपणतः
कुतः आनीतवान्?
एतत् कुतः आनीतवान् भवान् from where did you get this भवतः पिता डैश गतवान् भवतः पिता डैश गतवान् कुत्र गतवान् करेक्ट अङ्गणे डैश बालाः सन्ति 15
अङ्गणे कति बालाः
सन्ति छात्राः डैश धावन्ति वेगेन
कथं धावन्ति?
वेगेन शब्दः डैश आगच्छति
शब्दः कुतः आगच्छति?
दूरतः कुतः आगच्छति दूरतः आगच्छति so this is the practice okay we'll go to the words व्यावहारिक शब्दाः पाकशाला साधनानि what all you have in pakashala oh this is going to be little challenging this you may have to go through multiple times
yeah
one of you can read lavitram
small sickle illi a big knife fixed to a wooden plank
that ili what we do for coconut and all no
coconut illi churika knife darvi ladle big spoon randra darvi sieved spoon means in hollow villani rolling pin peshana yantram grinder baspasthali cooker
oh
sthalika plate chashakah tumbler generally we said glass right over here it is a tumbler.
Yeah, tumbler is a glass too I think.
Glass only. Yeah
No, but in the exam we have to use this word or glass.
Don't worry, tumbler or glass, they'll give you points.
Okay.
Mark.
Chamasaha. Chamasaha, spoon,
Mm.
small.
Mm.
Droni, bucket. Bhrastram, deep frying pan. Pisht pachanam.
A shallow pan. It's on
Shallow
the.
pan or tawa.
Mm.
Shurpaha, winnowing basket.
Mm.
Pattaha, grindstone. Ulukhalam, grinder. Manthanaha, churning stick. Sandasham.
Mantham,
Sandasham.
Samudra Manthanam. You remember? It was
Yeah.
churned.
Churn. Yeah.
Manthanaha.
Sun.
Mm.
Yeah. Sandashaha.
Sandamshaha.
Danshaha.
Mm.
Tongs.
Mm.
Kalashaha. Vessel, round. Sheetakam, fridge. Ushnarakshakam, flask. Tapakaha, boiler. Mishrakam, mixture.
Mixer. Mm.
I don't understand this. Sandanshaha. Tong.
Sandamshaha. Damshaha is, I think, teeth, no?
Sandamshaha.
It has that teeth kind of thing to hold grip. That's why it is Sandanshaha. Tongs, no? To hold the vessels in the kitchen.
Oh.
When it is hot, we hold and we keep it, right?
Oh, okay. We call
I
it
think
in
more like a
Gujarati.
sarsi, maybe.
Sansi, right.
Ah, so that is called tongs in the kitchen. So that is more like a damsha. Damsha is like teeth gripping, right? Sandamsha.
Okay.
Yeah. You can read once again, one of you.
Okay. Lavitram, small sickle. Ely, a big knife fixed to a wooden plank. Churika, knife. Darvi, ladle, big spoon. Randra darvi, sieved spoon. Vellani, rolling pin. Peshnayantram, grinder. Bashpathali, cooker. Sthalika, plate. Chashakaha, tumbler. Chamashaha, spoon small. Droni, bucket. Brastram, deep frying pan. Pistapachanam, a shallow pan or tawa. Shurpaha, winnowing basket. Pattaha, grindstone. Ulukhalam, grinder. Manthanaha, churning stick. Samdamshaha, tongs. Kalashaha, vessel round. Sheetakam, fridge. Ushnarakshakam, flax. Tapakaha, boiler. Mishrakam, mixture. These are a little bit different than other words we have seen.
Correct. Correct. So maybe the familiar ones we know churika, then dharvi, vellani.
Chamashaha,
We have
Tashakaha,
seen vellani.
Droni. Yeah, all those we know.
Dharvis and Randra Dharvi is easy to remember. Sieved spoon. Randram is holes.
Yes.
Then
Lavitram,
Bashparasthali could be Bashpa is what? Is it that droplets? The steam coming out?
steam.
Bashpa is steam. So Bashpasthali. Okay.
For us, it is easy to remember.
Thalika is plate. Then Chashakaha we know, tumbler. Chamasaha we know, spoon. Droni we know, bucket. Peshana yantram is grinder. Peshana yantram. Peshana may be paste. That's how paste came. Peshana.
Yeah.
To make a paste. Right?
Yeah.
Drashtram. Drashtram. Deep frying pan. It must be having some root word from where it has come. Deep frying pan.
We can remember like this, this one, that when you fry the food, it's means gunavatta. We call it quality is declining because we are frying. So it's brashtam. Like
Okay, that's a good way of remembering Drashtram.
yeah.
Okay, Pishtapachanam. Pishtapachanam. Pishta, shallow. Pishta, pachanam, cooking. Shallow cooking done on a pan. Tawa. Shurpaha, winnowing basket. We do that, no? To remove the husk and the grains. That is something called Shurpaha. Pattaha, grindstone. Pattaha. Okay. Ulukhalam. Ulukhalam is grinder. Then what was this? Peshana Yantram also is grinder.
Also is a grinder.
Ulukhalam also is
I think
grinder.
Peshana Yantram is like electric one, and Ulu Kalam probably is a grinder with a,
Okay.
that.
But
yeah,
then
I think-
Pattaha is given grindstone.
yeah, it's a stone only. I don't know. I was confused about that too. I was like, there's so many words for one.
Yeah, Ulukhalam or Peshana Yantram maybe. I don't know. Okay. And the mixie is not given.
No, Mixrakam is mixer, number 24.
Okay, Mishrakam. Okay. Okay. Tapakaha boiler. Okay. Sheetakam fridge.
Those are easy to
Kalashaha
remember.
tongs. Yeah. Kalashaha vessel.
Most of them are. Yeah.
Manthanaha churning stick. Okay. I think you may have to go through once or twice.
Mhm.
Then we will
Yeah.
get-
Yeah.
Yeah. Next. What is the next thing? So here in this story, you should remember Uttara Ramacharitam by Bhavabhuti. And this is the Uttarakanda story. Just remember those. In detail, I have not seen. Samskrita Vangmaya Parichaya, I have not seen too much, questions. Too many questions I have not seen. Okay, now we covered all the 7 questions. Kakaras, sapta kakara, kakaraha, we have covered. So that can come for the exam. One of the kakaras can be there. It can come in the form of filling the blanks, something like that. So 10th lesson now. We'll go to the 10th lesson. Samskrita Vangmaya Parichayaha Sangrahya Vishayaha. We'll go to Sangrahya Vishayaha. Here it is Anjaneyaha. Anjaneyaha. 187 page.
Okay.
Yeah, one of you can read. One of you can.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can. Anjaneyaha. Manojavam Marutulyavegam Jitendriyam.
Maruta.
Yeah, Manojavam Maruta Tulyavegam Jitendriyam Buddhimatam Varishtam Patatmajam Vanara Yutam Mukhyam Sri Ramadotam Sharanam Prapadye. I surrender to Maruti, the messenger of Sri Rama, who travels with the speed of mind and wind and has conquered the sense organs. He is the foremost among the wise people. He is the son of the wind god and the leader of the monkeys.
Yeah. So Manojavam Maruta Tulya Vegam Jitendriyam, but Buddhimatam is different. Did you observe that? Buddhimatam Varishtam. So what do you think Buddhimatam will be?
Mati Shabda.
Buddhimatam will be which vibhakti do you think? Is it Dvitiya? Can it be Dvitiya? Because others are see Manojavam, Marututulya Vegam, Jitendriyam, Buddhi. This one is different. Buddhimatam.
Like Shashti.
Yeah, Shashti. Buddhimatam. That Bhiman Shabda is there, no? In the page number, you just check. In our Pravesha book, it is there. See, like Mahatam, Mahat Shabda, Buddhiman. Where is that Buddhiman? Everything you see, all those Pullinga Shabda, Guninam, Atmanam. Do you see that? In page number 200, you will see page number 199. Everything Shashti, did you see? Mahatam, 199. Similarly, this is Buddhimatam. So it is Shashti. Varishtam, Vatatmajam, Vanarayutha Mukhyam, Sri Ramadutam, Sharanam Prapadye. So, Uttama Purusha, Prapadye, I salute, I surrender. Prapadye is to surrender. So, I Prapadye, I surrender. To whom? To whom do I surrender? To Maruti. Who is this Maruti? Who is the messenger of Sri Rama? Who is Sri Ramadutam? Aham Prapadye. To whom? To Sri Ramadutam. Kam Prapadye, Sri Ramadutam Prapadye. And who travels with the speed of mind and wind? That is Vanara Yutha Mukhyam, Vatatmajam. Who is so fast. He is the son of wind god. And Vanara Yutha Mukhyam, he is the leader of all the monkeys. Then Buddhimatam Varishtam, who is very wise among wise people. So that among Buddhiman, that is why it is Shashti. Among is always Shashti, no? Do you know that? Among is always Shashti. Among, of, everything is belonging, among, everything is Shashti. That is why here it is written among wise people. He is the important foremost one among wise people. That is why it is Shashti. Jitendriyam, one who has conquered all the senses. Jitendriyam. Maruta Tulya Vegam, equivalent to the wind he is as swift as a wind. His speed is as equivalent to a wind. And Manojavam, he is the messenger of Lord Sri Ram. No, sorry. Who travels with the speed, Manojavam, even his mind. Yeah, speed of the mind and the wind is very fast. Yeah. That's what it says. His mind is as swift as the wind. Basically saying he's very alert, maybe. He's very alert. Yeah. So this is what is the Anjaneyaha is Anjani's son. Anjaneya. He's also called Anjali Putra, no? Yeah. Yeah. So that is why Anjaneyaha. They have written Anjaneyaha. Yeah. Next, somebody can read.
बुद्धिर्बलं यशोधैर्यं निर्भयत्वमरोगिता अजायं पाकपटुत्वं
Ajadyam.
अजाड्यं अजाड्यं वाक्पटुत्वं च हनुमत स्मरणात् भवेत्. A sharp intellect, strength, tame, courage, fearlessness, good health, activity, and expertise in speech. These are obtained by remembering or praying to Lord Hanuman.
So Hanuman Smaranad Bhavet. By chanting, praying to Lord Hanuman, you get all these things. What are those things? Buddhir Bhalam. Buddhir Balam means, yeah, Buddhi and Balam, which is clear. Buddhi is intellect, Balam is strength. Yashaha. Yashaha is strength again. Sorry. Yashaha is fame. Yashaha is also fame, right? Yeah. Here it is wrongly written as tame. It is fame. It is fame. Dhairyam, courage. Nirbhayatvam, fearlessness. Arogita, arogata, I think it is, not gita. I think it is arogata. You have to check. There could be a spelling mistake there. I think it is arogata, not arogita. Your books have it as arogita?
Yes.
You have to check, cross-check that. We will cross-check this shloka. Somewhere other places you will get to know. I think it is nirbhayatvam arogata, not gita.
Yeah, nirbhayatvam rogita means if we can separate nirbhayatvam and arogita.
I don't know if it is arogita or arogata. Okay, we will clear that later. Buddhir balam yashodhairyam nirbhayatvam arogita ajadyam. Ajadyam is basically full of activity. He is not lazy. Vakpatutvam, expertise in speech. He is good at speech. Cha hanumat smaranad bhavet. Hanumat smaranad bhavet. By praying to Hanuman, you get all these things. It is smaranat from it is smaranat actually, but sandhi it becomes the smaranat bhavet. Okay. From praying, by praying from smaranat bhavet. Yeah. From Hanuman, we get all these things. That's what it means. By praying to Hanuman, we get all these things. Okay. Samskrita Vangmaya Parichaya. Veni Samharam. Where have we seen this?
Page 130.
The same, the Rupakas, I think.
Who wrote this?
Bhattanarayan.
Bhattanarayan.
Narayana. Correct. Read.
Veni Samharam. The author of the drama is Bhattanarayana. The drama is based on an episode from the Mahabharata. The story starts with Kamsa's effort for peace. No,
Krishna, sir.
Krishna is different written over. Krishna's efforts for peace on behalf of the Pandavas and ends with the killing of Duryodhana and tying of Draupadi's braid of hair. Veni means braid of hair and Samharaha means tying. The theme of the drama is this: Sri Krishna goes to the Kauravas for a peace treaty. The peace efforts are not to Bhim's liking.
Bhima's liking.
Bhima's liking. The peace efforts break down. War is inevitable. Bhima is delighted. The war begins. Drona dies in the war. The anger of Aswasthama,
Ashwathama.
Aswasthama,
Ashwathama.
Aswathama, the son of Drona is doubled on account of this. Meanwhile, due to a quarrel between
Ashwathama.
Aswathama and Karna, Aswathama relinquishes his arms, that is, declines to fight. Thereafter, Dusasana and Karna dies in the battle. Duryodhana enters the lake. Then the insulting words of Bhima forced him to come out and fight. Bhima kills him in the fight. Then he plaits the hair of Draupadi into a braid. Dharmaraja is coronated. The playwright has dramatized in 6 acts the lengthy story of the Mahabharata from the Udyoga Parvan to the Salya Parvan, sustaining the interest throughout. The drama exactly conforms to the rules of dramaturgy in Sanskrit. The technical sandhyanga arrangement is very well evident in the drama.
Hmm. So there's one more. Vrichakatikam.
Yeah, Murchakatikam. The
Somebody else
author of
can. Maybe someone
can
else
read.
can read. Yeah.
I can read it. Mruchakatikam. The author of the drama is Sudraka. The theme of the drama is the love story of Charudatta and Vasantasena. There is an episode of clay cart, Mrut, clay, Shakatika, toy cart, hereafter which the play is named. Charudatta, who was once a rich man, is now a poor man. He is a man of noble qualities. He is deeply in love with the courtesan called Vasantasena. One day, Vasantasena deposits her ornaments with Charudatta. Then the ornaments are stolen by a thief. Charudatta sends in return the pearl necklace of his wife with the report that he lost the deposited ornaments in the game of dice. In the meanwhile, the stolen ornaments come into the hands of Vasantasena through her maid servant called Madanika.
Madanika.
When Vasantasena comes to Charudatta to return the ornaments, saying that she lost the pearl necklace in the game of dice, Charudatta's son is crying with a demand for a golden cart to play with. He has only a clay cart to play with. Vasantasena puts her ornaments into the clay cart. Leaving a message for Vasantasena that she should come in the cart, Charudatta has left for the garden. Due to exchange of carts, Vasantasena falls into the hands of the wicked Shakara.
Shakara.
Wicked Shakara.
Shakara.
Wicked Shakara. Shakara strangles her and thinks that she's dead. Then he shifts the crime onto Charudatta. Charudatta is proved the criminal in the court and is sent to the gallows. Meanwhile, with the help of a monk, Vasant Sena survives and comes on the scene. Shakara is exposed. Charudatta is released from the gallows, and his marriage with Vasant Sena takes place. The playwright has very nicely depicted the life of the ordinary man in the ancient society in this drama. The language used in this drama is very much akin to the spoken language.
Okay. Vrichakatikam. This also we saw in the Rupakas.
Yes.
We saw in Rupakas, 130 page, it's there. Vrichakatikam by Shudraka.
Mhm.
So now we have covered almost everything. Shakuntalam we covered, Kalidasa.
Mhm.
Then we covered
Swapna
Swapna Vasavadatta.
Vasavadatta.
By Bhasa, no?
Bas, yes.
Yeah, by Bhasa. Mhm.
Bhasa. Then we have Mrichakatikam by Shudraka. Then we just now we went through this, no? What is that?
Veni Samhar.
Veni
Veni
Samharam.
Samharam by Bhattanarayana.
Bhattanarayana. Mhm.
So almost everything is covered, right?
Yeah.
5 were there. 5 were written there. 5 Rupakas were given,
Yeah,
right?
5 Rupakas were there.
Yeah, 10 are there. Among that, 5 were mentioned. Yeah. Bhavabhuti Uttara Ramacharitam. We just now we covered that.
Yeah, I
also.
read that too. Mhm.
Bhavabhuti. So all the 5 you will remember now,
Mhm.
right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now next. We'll go to those words. Here you have Shakani. Vegetables. Vegetables. This also could be difficult because we are not familiar with it. But anyways, once or twice when we read, we will be able to remember. I think these things need to be read every day.
Yes. Then only.
Otherwise, we will not remember.
You know that
We have
that copy that Bhanu Mahodaya has sent is very useful because
Is
you
it?
see all the words are in one place.
Okay.
Yeah.
That I didn't know.
Yeah.
Maybe I should also check that. I
So,
didn't
you
go.
know, all the shlokas are in one section. So it's like
Yeah,
combination of
it's very
everything. You don't have to flip through the pages. You know?
That's a good thing. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Vyavaharika shabdaha. Vyavaharika shabdaha. Vyavaharika shabdaha. Okay. Shakhani. Come on, read.
Yeah, I can go.
Mm.
Nishpavaha, beans. Kushmandakaha, ash gourd. Suranaha, a succulent root. Palanduhu, onion.
Palandu.
Pallandu, onion. Koshataki, ridge gourd. Shunti, ginger. Vrintakam.
Vrintakam. There is no there. Vrintakam.
Brinjal.
Mm.
Caravella.
We came across this, no? Caravellam.
Yeah.
Yes.
Ruchi Shabdaha.
Caravellam. What
Bitter gourd.
this thing? Kattu.
Tiktam. No,
Tiktam. Tiktam or kattu?
Tiktam,
no,
I think.
that's the problem. With Kattu means we call it a bitter, but over here in the book it says tiktam.
Okay.
Yeah.
Kattu means a spicy.
So Sanskrita is different. Yeah.
Yeah, it's different. In the Abhyas Pustakam, when you check, it's a different.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
And I would think it would have been Karela, but it's Koravellam.
Yeah, Kattu is
Caravellam.
Caravellam.
Yeah, we say
Caravellam
Karela in Gujarati, but yeah. So it's easy
Karela,
to
they
remember
say,
that.
no? Karela.
Karela. Yeah.
Caravellam.
So Vastukam, a type of green leaf. Bhindinakam, lady's finger. Amratakam, hog plum. Haritakam, green leaves. Narikelam, coconut fruit. Kandaha, peas. Patolaha, snake gourd.
Shigruhu.
Shigruhu.
Shigruhu,
Hmm.
drumstick. Marichika,
Marichika.
chilies.
We came through Marichika also.
That is Katuhu.
That is cut.
You
Okay.
have to think opposite.
Kadali, plantain.
Can you check? I still feel Marichika is Tikta and
Yeah,
And I did check in the Sanskrit about, dictionary.
I checked in a spoken Sanskrit dictionary.
Yeah, I did too.
Twitter, and it gave the two things, Katutya Swada and Tiktam also means spicy. Katu means. So they give a confusing both the meanings.
okay.
So that's
So
why
Katu
I'm also
Yukta is
confused.
a spicy. And Katu is like they have used it. Katu Yuktam Khadyam Sa Na Ichhati. So she does not like spicy food, And so Katu is used like that. It says, I checked it too because I was confused also.
I am also confused about this.
Okay.
Still.
Katu is okay. Then spicy. Okay. Marichika. Kadali, I think we know.
Kadali, plantain.
Hmm.
Is it plantain or banana?
It's plantain or banana, whatever. Yeah. Kadali phalam is banana. Yeah.
Shakaha, vegetable.
Hmm.
Moolakam, radish. Bimbapalam, a kind of tree fruit.
Hmm.
Urvarukam, cucumber.
Hmm.
Alukam, potato.
Hmm.
Mishtalukam, sweet potato. Jambiram, lemon. Krishna
Jambiram we
Nimbam.
came through, right? Jambiram.
Yes.
Jambiram, Amla.
Yeah. Astringent. Amla, no? Amla Kani, something was written.
Amlakani is a kashaya.
Yeah, Amlakani is Kashaya.
So Jambiram is?
Amla.
Amla.
Amla. Means
Okay.
sour.
Okay.
Krishna Nimbam, curry leaves. Gunjanakam,
Krishna Nimbam. Okay, Krishna. Black it is. So that's why. Krishna Nimbam.
curry
Okay.
leaves.
Mm.
Gunjanakam, carrot.
Lashunam is garlic.
Lashunam, garlic.
I think Shunti and Lashunam we know.
Yeah. I think these are pretty much these we know is Vastukam. I don't know. Is Koshataki a ridge gourd Turiyu? Turiya? Is that? I don't know. Koshataki
Yeah,
ridge
Turiya.
gourd.
Yeah, Turiya.
Turiya. Okay, Turiya. Okay. And I think snake gourd is probably Parvar. Patolaha.
No, snake god is the long one. Parval is different.
Yeah, it's different.
What did you say for Turi?
Parval looks like Tindora.
Yeah, it
What
so
did
Patolaha is
you
Tindora?
say? What did you say for something now you just said, right?
Koshataki.
Ridge gourd, is that Turiya?
Turiya, yeah.
Ridge guard. Ridge guard is that? Yeah.
Yeah.
Correct.
Okay.
Koshataki. Okay. Yeah. Which has that ridges, no? The long
Yes.
one.
Yeah. That's why. Yeah.
Yeah. It's where we make towel out of it. We make a chutney out of it. It comes out very well.
Yeah, of the reeds only.
Yeah.
And it tastes very good.
Yeah. Palanduhu is onion. Onion, I think we know. Palanduhu.
Yeah.
Onion we know. Next, succulent root. Suranaha. What is that? Root.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
Eat on
Kaddu.
inside it's like yellow. inside.
It's-
We make vegetables like a main dish.
It's eaten for upvas.
Suran?
Okay.
Yeah, suran is eaten for upvas.
We are not eating.
Oh, is it elephant foot?
Yes, that's it. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Yeah.
Okay.
I was trying to think, yeah, but suran is, yeah, that.
Okay.
We only call
Surana.
suran. That's why I know.
Suranaha. Okay, okay. So we call it chene.
Oh,
And in Kannada, Suvarnagadde. That's why it is Suranaha. Suvarnagadde. That's why Suranaha. Got it?
Suranaha.
Where you got the name for Kannada name? Suvarnagadde is Suranaha.
Yeah, because this comes yellows inside.
Bhavani
And one of
Mahoday.
the is a purple inside. That
Mm.
we eat in fasting.
that's
Arbi.
mogo.
Huh?
Is it Arbi you're talking about?
I don't know.
Cassava or mogo, it's called. That's also another thing that's purple inside.
Purple
Okay.
inside.
Purple.
Yeah.
Okay.
But I think cassava has a white and inside there is a purple line. But this one we eat, it's a totally purple inside and it's a sticky. When we cut it, it's sticky.
Okay. 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 Shunti in Kannada also they call shunti only for ginger.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Vrintakam is brinjal. I think in Telugu.
Yeah, that's
In Telugu, I think they call Vrintakam, no? In Telugu, I'm not sure. Vrintakam. Karavellam we know, bitter gourd. Vastukam is a type of green leaf. Vastukam.
It's a patra.
Huh?
I don't know. Type of green
It's just
leaf.
this type of green leaf, and it could be any leaf. I don't
Any
know.
leaf. Yeah, Vastukam.
Because in our Gujarati, we have like a patra. We have a big green leaves. Yeah.
That's Arabi leaves, the big ones.
Okay.
Arabi leaves?
I think so.
No, not
No,
sure.
that's
Not-
colocasia.
I'm not sure.
Colocasia.
Arabi is that root thing, no? Which grows underground. Is that Arabi?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Arabi. We
Yeah.
call it Arabi.
underground.
Yeah.
And
Arabi.
from its, the leaves is out. So it's a big and we used that.
Mhm. Okay, okay.
Bhindi we know. Bhindi.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Bindi.
bindi we know.
We know.
Correct.
Hog plum.
Haritakam
I don't
is
know what
green.
hog.
Again, we have Haritakam, green leaves.
Yeah, yeah.
Haritakam.
It's a cabbage.
Narikelam is coconut fruit.
Mhm. So now, why narikelam is in shakani instead of fruits? Is that
Shakani, Shakaha. So you'll find, yeah, it's there in, I don't know. It's a vegetable here, narikelam.
so in some papers they have asked to write the 5 names of shakani, 5 names of fruits. So you have to make sure that you probably don't want to use narikelam and leave it out.
Correct. True. Correct. Khanda, it's peace. Khanda.
Yeah.
Khanda. Chalk piece, Sudha Khandaha.
Mhm.
Right?
But which kind of
But whole-
vegetable? Khanda is. Which kind
Khanda
of
I
Khanda
think
is
it just
just
means
pieces of
Piece,
vegetable.
cutting
Okay,
piece of
vegetables.
vegetable.
Any
Okay.
piece. Any piece.
Okay.
Yeah. So Shakha Khandani, if you say it is any vegetable piece. Okay. Patolaha, snake guard. I think Patolaha, we have heard it before. Patolaha.
Yeah, it's a giloda. The
Oh.
other name for is tindora. Tindora or Tindora, that's what we call, you know.
Okay, snake guard. Okay.
Mhm.
Yeah, in the south also it's very used a lot. It's used a lot in the south.
In the sambar you are using? Yeah, so it's a snake god is it's long one, right?
Yeah, it is long.
So it's not Tindora then.
No,
No,
it's
I'm
not
looking
Tindora.
up on here and it's Tindora.
It's
That's
all
what they're
confusing.
shown.
Because I saw
You
in
were saying
Mumbai.
something?
Yes, snake god is
We
it's a
make
long one, right?
we make a nice side dish. They call it kootu. Kootu in Tamil, and in Kannada, this thing also we use. Kannadigas also use a lot of it. Even Keralites use it. It's used with chana dal. They make a nice side dish with that. It's very famous here.
But it comes small or long.
Long.
Small also
long.
you get. Actual original one is very long. Now you get the hybrid versions, all small ones. Actually speaking, it's very long.
See, so it's not a Tindora, Hemantiven.
The long ones. It
Yeah,
is
because I saw in Bombay and in the vegetable market, they are tie on the roof and it's long like that.
It
So I
comes,
saw
it grows as creepers only. Yeah.
Yeah, and it has a like a white, light green and dark green lines on it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
Yes.
It's very
Oh.
tasty.
So it's look like a snake.
It's
That's why
very
it's a
tasty
snake.
vegetable. It's very
Yeah.
very nutritious.
Very nutritious, and we say that we use in a sambar like that.
Yeah. Normally we make a side dish out of it, which is very famous here for weddings and all that they make. Patolaha, it's called. Drumstick, we all know. Shigruhu. Shigruhu.
Yeah.
Shigruhu. Shigruhu. Marichika, chili. Kadali, plantain. Shakaha, vegetable. Okay. Moolakam is radish. Most of them are Napumsakalinga. Did you notice that? Vruntakam, Karavellam, Vastukam,
Urvarukam, Alukam.
Amratakam. What is this hog plum?
I have no idea. I was going to ask that. I don't know what hog plum is.
Yeah, hog plum. Haritakam, green leaves.
It's a cabbage.
Haritakam. Oh, okay. Narikelam is coconut fruit. Okay. Shigruhu, Kadali, Shakaha, Moolakam, Bimbaphalam. Bimbaphalam. It's a kind of, oh, is it? What is Bimbaphalam? It's a kind of tree fruit. Tree fruit. Bimbaphalam. Is it something to do with like Kushmandam? Something to do like that? Kushmandam is Ashgard. So we have
It says
another
ivy
garden.
gourd. Ivy gourd. I don't know what that is. Spiny bitter gourd or ivy gourd. Bimbaphalam.
Okay.
Spiny bitter gourd. So is that Kankoda? I don't know.
Maybe. What you get this small bitter gourd type of things.
Yeah, but it says a spiny. So do they have some sort of a spikes?
They do have the small ones.
Yeah.
It's
So
a
maybe
That's
what-
Gantola. No?
It's a
That's
small.
Kantola.
Very small.
Kantola.
Gantola. Yeah.
Kantola. Okay.
We can hold in finger like this.
Yeah. Mhm.
And they don't taste bitter.
Yeah, they don't taste
Well,
bitter.
they're not like
Inside
Karela,
there
no.
is so many seeds are there.
They take it out
Yeah,
and they fill it and they fry it.
Mhm.
Yeah.
They fill masala into it and fry it
I don't know, but
because
yeah.
it doesn't taste bitter.
Yeah.
Like brinjal, they fill masala into it. Bimbaphalam. Urvarukam. Cucumber. This is one
Urvarukam.
mantra. One mantra has Urvarukam. What is that mantra?
Mrityunjaya.
Mrityunjaya. Mrityunjaya mantra has Urvarukam.
Okay, this is a
Urvarukam.
snake gourd.
Snake guard. Correct.
Right?
The longer ones are the tastier ones, and they are the original ones. Now, what you get in all places are all the small hybrid ones. They are not tasty as much as the long ones. The long, very tender ones are very tasty. So that is Patolaha. Okay, Urvarukam is in Mrityunjaya mantra. Just like how the cucumber falls off its creeper, allow us to release from all the bondage and make us free. Effortlessly, how it falls off when it ripens. Something like that. Urvarukam. Alukam is potato. Alu is
Yeah.
everywhere, it is alu.
And
Even
Mistalukam is
Kannada also is alugadde. Mishtalukam is sweet potato. Mishta is sweet. So alukam added to mishta will become mishtalukam. And then jambiram we know, lemon. Krishna nimbam. Krishna is black, dark. Krishna nimbam. Why nimbam? I don't know nimbam.
Nimba, Nimba tree, Limdo.
Oh, neem tree. Oh, okay.
That's what I'm thinking. I don't know.
Krishna nimbam. Okay, similar to neem. They are similar to neem, but neem are green and these are, I think, slightly on the darker green
Darker
shade.
side, yeah.
So that's why it's Krishna nimbam.
But we have a bitter neem and sweet neem.
Yeah, so this one is
Yeah.
Krishna Nimba, is the curry leaves which we
It's
use in
a
our
sweet
cooking.
neem. It's a sweet neem. So we can use in our day-to-day cooking. Whereas that bitter neem we used as a medicine. And we are not using in our cooking, just use as a medicine. It's a bitter neem.
So these curry leaves is very popular, no? In all our sabjis and everything we use.
Yes.
Gunjanakam, carrot, Gunjanakam. Maybe
Yeah,
from
it's close to
Grunjanakam.
Gajar.
It is not Gunjanakam, it is Grunjanakam.
Grunjanakam, yeah.
Grunjanakam. From there only maybe Gajar has come.
Gajar, yeah.
Yes.
Grunjanakam. Lashunam is garlic. Lasoon,
We
right?
call it lasan.
Lasan.
Lashunam.
So from Sanskrit, all the other language develop the words.
They borrowed it.
Yes, borrowed it.
They borrowed it. Yeah. So you can read page number 191, Samskrita Vyavaharaha. Vyavaharaha. We have,
Study the
yeah,
Yat
we have seen this before. Yat tat,
Yes.
but
Yat
you can.
tat. Study the following sentence carefully. Yaha dware sthitavan saha mama agrajah. Ya dirghaveni sa mama sakhi Gita. Ya prarthanam gayati tasyai pushpam dadatu. Yat patram praptam tat mama pituhu patram. Yasya nama bhavati uktavati tam aham janami. Yam shatikam bhavan anayati tam aham ichchami eva. Yasmin bhaktihi asti tam eva dhyayatu. Yaya sah gatavati asam tasyaha pustakam etat. Yena geetam giyate tam janaha satkurvanti. Bhavan yatah स्मरति तथा
Yat.
अहं
Yat
वदामि.
smrati.
भवान् यत् स्मरति तत् अहं वदामि.
Hmm.
By studying the above sentences, we learn that everywhere the word yad, yah, ya, yat,
Wherever the word.
wherever the word yad, yah, ya, yat is used, there is the use of tad, saha, sa, tat. As a rule, it is not necessary that both the words should be in the same case. उदाहरण एक, यह विजयं प्राप्तवान् तस्मै पारितोषिकं ददामि.
Hmm.
यस्याः त्वरा अस्ति सा इदानीं गच्छतु. यस्मात् सः लेखनीम् आनीतवान् तस्य आपणस्य नाम किम्? Note that the case of tad shabda is different from that of yad shabda.
Mm. So you don't have to have the same, like yad and tad need not be in the same case. It can
Yes,
be
right.
different.
Different.
That's what it says.
Yeah.
So you have abhyasaha in the next page.
Right.
Mm.
Fill in the blanks with the correct form of yad, tad, declensions. Example. Udaharanam. Madhuram rochate dehi. Yasmai madhuram rochate tasmai dehi.
Mm.
यस्मै भवत्यै रोचते
Bhavatyai.
यस्मै भवत्यै रोचते तस्मै देहि.
Mm.
यस्य धैर्यम् अस्ति तं भवन्तः मतं यच्छन्तु.
Yachantu. Yasyam dhairyam. 1 minute. I will just check. Otherwise it
Yes.
would be, yeah. Yeah, yasya, yaha saha it is. Third one is yaha saha. Yaha dhairyam asti.
No, second.
Oh, second one. You are looking at second.
Yasya.
Okay. Yasya
यस्य धैर्यं
tasyai. Tasyai.
तस्मै.
Tasmai. Bhavantaha. Okay, tasmai, because it is pulling a shabda. Yeah.
भवन्तः is तस्मै.
Yasya dhairyam asti tasmai bhavantaha matam yacchantu.
Yeah.
Hmm.
यः
Whoever
पाठयति.
has, what is the meaning of that?
Whoever has a dhairyam means patience,
Hmm.
give it to give your vote to them. Matam means
Matam yacchantu.
Give your vote for them. Mhm.
you vote
For
for
them.
them.
Correct. Dash patayati dash shikshakaha. Yaha patayati. Oh, sorry.
पाठयति
सः
सः
शिक्षकः.
Yeah,
Correct.
it's easy. Yeah,
Next.
that one is easy.
Aksharadi Suddaradi
Sudrani
dash Vyaktitwamapi Sundaram.
यस्य अक्षराणि सुन्दराणि
Hmm.
अस्य व्यक्तित्वमपि सुन्दरम्.
Over there, you can also do Strilinga, right? I mean,
Yeah, you can.
yeah. Okay.
So what will be the Strilinga?
So Yashyaha
Hmm.
Aksharani Sundarani Tasyaha Vyaktitwamipi Sundaram.
Sundaram, correct.
Right.
Bhavan
भवान् येन सह क्रीडितवान्
Oh.
तेन सह एव गच्छतु.
Hmm.
Yeah, it's
So,
easy. Saha word is there.
Yeah, Saha is there, so it will be Tritiya Vibhakti.
Mhm.
Tritiya Vibhakti.
And this is Petikayah, so it's a strilinga. Petikayah Satika Sthapita.
No, Petikayah. It is Petikayam.
Oh, sorry, right. Petikayam Satika Sthapita blank Petikam Matre Dehi. So it's a Petikayam. So Yasyam Petikayam Shatika Sthapita Tam Petikam Matre Dehi.
Tam
Is it
Petikam.
tam?
Yeah, sorry.
Tam. Strilinga, no?
Strilinga, right. Tam Petikam Matre
Petikam
Dehi.
Matre Dehi. Next.
Yeah. Blank Madhuram Bahu Rochate blank Ikshu Dandaha Diyate.
Diyate.
Yasmai Madhuram Bahu Rochate Tasmai Ikshu Dandaha Diyate.
Ikshudandaha
What
means
is-
sugar cane.
Oh, sugar cane.
Oh, sugar cane.
Candy? No.
Danda is sugar cane.
Cherry. Okay.
Yeah, Seradi. Oh, Ikshu Dandaha.
Mm.
Okay. Blank.
Madhuram bahu rochate tasyai Ikshudandaha diyate.
Yeah,
Tasmai.
and the Rochate word is there, so it's
Tasmai.
supposed to be a
Atmani.
Chaturthi Vibhakti. Yeah, Atmanepadi. and
Atmanepadi.
Chaturthi, it goes with Chaturthi Vibhakti,
Correct.
right?
Yes.
Blank.
That's why
Pustakam.
Yasmai Tasmai.
Yes. Pustakam Bhavati.
If it would have been Strilinga Shabda, what would it be?
Yasyaha.
Chaturthi Vibhakti?
Oh, no. Sita.
Yasyai.
Oh, Yasya.
Ah.
Yasyai.
Tasyai.
Madhura.
Madhurayam rochate. Tasyai ikshudandah diyate.
Yasyai
Ikshudandah diyate.
Yeah, Yasyai Tasya.
Tasmai.
Blank Pustakam Bhavati Svikrutvati blank Naam Sri Devi. So it's a Strilinga. So Yasya Pustakam Yasyaha Pustakam Bhavati Svikrutvati Tasyaha Nama Sri Devi.
Next.
Blank. Blank Shatikam Putraha
Ishtavan.
blank Snusha Na Ishtavati. So it's a Strilinga. So Yam Shatikam Putraha Ishtavan Tam Snusha Na Ishtavati.
Correct. Snusha is what?
It's
Daughter-in-law.
Daughter-in-law. Yeah.
Blank Vrukshat Phalam Patati Patitam blank Vruksham Arohatu. So it's a Panchami Vrukshat. So it's Yasmat Vrukshat Phalam Patitam Tam Vruksham Arohatu.
Match the following. Yan Nrityati.
Tam pashya.
Tam Pashya.
Tam Pashya. Yan Nrityati Tam Pashya. Yes. Yat Praptam.
Tat labhaya.
Tatlabhaya.
Yat Praptam.
Tat labhaya.
Correct. Tat Labhaya. Yat Praptam Tat Labhaya. Next.
Yaha asatyavadi saha nindyate.
Correct. Yaha asatyavadit saha nindyate. Next. Ebhyaha yat rochate.
Yebhyah yat rochate te tat svikurvantu.
Te tat sweet kurvantu. Next, yani pustakani uttamani.
Tani Patha.
Ani Pata.
Tani patha. Yasu nadishu jalam pravahati.
Tasu Minaha
Tasu
Vasanti.
minaha vasanti.
Translate the throw away the pens which do not write properly. Throw away. Always throw away.
Throw away the pens which do not write properly. Try to make it
Yeah, Tipati.
using yad shabda. The pens.
Lekhanyaha.
Lekani, lekanyaha. The
Yaha
pens.
Lekhanyaha.
Yaha lekanyaha. Lekanyaha. Samyak na likhati or likhanti. Likhanti. Because many lekanis are there. Samyak na likhanti. Taha.
Yeah.
Taha.
Shripati.
Shripati.
Shipa. You just throw it. Or
Yeah, it's an yeah.
Nishkashayatu. Nishkasha is also to throw. Nishkashayatu. Shipatu. Shipa. Next. Do not talk about subjects about which you know nothing.
Vishayaha.
Vishayaha.
Na Janati. So about Vishayaha.
You don't have to. Okay, here they have not used yaha, but we can use.
No.
Or they have used Yasmin. They have used.
Yeah.
Correct.
About which? So.
So Yasmin
Vishayaha.
Vishaye.
Yeah. Yasmin Vishaye na Janati.
Bhavan na janati.
Bhavan na janati.
Tasmin
Vishaye na vadatu.
Vadati.
Vishaye na vadatu. Do not sing songs already sung by others. Songs. Geetam. Geetam is Napumsakalinga. So yat.
Gitani. Yeah.
Yat
Gitani.
Geetam. Songs is Geetani. Okay. So then Yani Geetani you should say.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yani Gitani. Already sung. So sung is
Past tense.
past
Anye
tense.
Gayanti.
Ayata.
Anye Gaitavanta.
Agayat.
Agayat or Gaitavantah. Geetavantah, no? Geetavantah, I think it is. Geetavantah. Yeah. Tani Geetam na Gayatu.
Can you use mastu there? Or it doesn't work that way?
Tat Geetam na Gayatu is better, no? Mastu.
Oh,
Mastu won't come there. Na Gayatu.
okay.
Do not sing. They use the word do not sing.
Yeah.
So Gayatu.
Na Gayatu.
Gayatu.
But they have made a mistake of giving songs and they have written Yat Geetam.
Yeah.
Actually, it should have been Yani Geetani, right?
Yeah, right. Yani Gitani.
Yani Geetani Anye Agayat won't come. Agayan. Because it is plural.
Plural, right. Gayan.
Agayan. Tani Geetam na Gayatu. Or Ma Gayatu also you can say. Ma Gayatu. Na Gayatu. Don't do it. Okay. The thief has stolen the bag which contained money. Syutaha. So, yeah. Whichever bag in which money was there. So, Yasmin Syute
Yasmin Sute Dhanam Asti.
Asit was
Asit, yeah.
there.
Asit.
Hmm.
Tasmin Tasmin Sutaha.
Why Tasmin? There is
Oh.
only why Tasmin? Whichever bag was
Yeah.
stolen that had
That
contained money. Yasmin Syute Dhanam Asit, which already had money. That
bag.
Syutam
That-
eva.
Okay.
So
That's it.
tam Syutam
Tam Syutam.
tam
Stolen.
Syutam eva Choraha Apahrutavan.
Apahutavan.
Tam Syutam eva Choraha Apahrutavan. Apahrutavan asti. Very good. So I think we completed
Yes.
those. Next class, probably we can go through suktis also once. We'll
Right.
go through all the suktis, 10
Suktis.
suktis and subhashitas. Once we'll do a revision of it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, then we'll end the class.
Okay. Okay.
Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah. Sarve Santu Niramayah. Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu. Ma Kaschid Dukkha Bhag Bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shri Guru Pyo Namaha.
Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavadah. Shubharatri.
Shubharatri. Happy New Year.
Happy New
Suprabhatam
Year.
for Hemanti Mahodaya.
Yes. I will be going to work now.
Suprabhatam.
તમારે ચાલુ છે આજે? You have to go to work?
Oh yeah.
Yes.
You know.
Oh,
Yeah.
no.
Post office never stops.
I know. I know.
Yeah. Yeah.